My dear students, in this video we will learn about operators available in the VHDL. What is operator? Operator is a symbol. It may be the mathematical symbol or the logical symbol. There are the 6 types of the predefined operators are there. They are logical operators, relational operators, shift operators, adding operators, multiplying operators, and miscellaneous operator. In the VHDL, mainly we are using operators for constructing the expressions. Okay, let us study what is the precedence of the operator. What do you mean by precedence of the operator? You think that in one expression you are having more than one operators are available. Then how we are going to solve that expression? Okay, which one you have to solve first, second, and so on. That is called the precedence of the operator. Okay, the precedence of the operators in the VHDL is from 1 to 6. That means in your expression, if you are having first logical operators and second one is the adding operator, okay, and next let us say it is also having the shift operator. Then how you are going to solve this one? So first I am going to solve the logical operator, next shift operator, next adding operator. This is called the preceding of the operators. Okay. Next let us move to study about the logical operators. What are the logical operators? The operators, if they are performing the logical operations, then they are called the logical operators. In VHDL, there are 7 logical operators are there. They are the 3 basic gates, 2 XOR gates, and 2 universal gates. All of we know that what are the 3 basic gates? AND, OR, and the NOT. Similarly, XOR gates are XOR and XNOR gates, and universal gates are the NAND and the NOR. So in this way, in the VHDL, totally 7 logical operators are there, and it is of the type bit and the boolean. Okay, and next the operators having the lowest priority except the NOT gate. NOT gate has the highest priority. And in this VHDL, always bit value 0 is nothing but false and bit value 1 is nothing but true. And let us write the one example for the logical operator for the 2 input OR gate. How to write the expression? Why? This is called the signal assignment statement A or B. Okay, this is about the logical operator. Next, let us study the relational operators. These operators allow checking the relation between the operands. So what is the relational operator means? Here we are relating the 2 operators. Okay. So if you want to relate anything means we need the 2 operands. These relational operands is going to relate the 2 operands, and it is always of the type boolean. Okay. There are the 6 relational operators are there. So, okay, as shown in this table, that is equal to, here the symbol is there, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, this is less than, and less than, equal to. Okay, in this way there are the 6 relation operators are available in the VHDL, and it is of the type boolean. Next, shift operators. Okay, shift operators are defined for the one-dimensional array with the elements of type bit and the boolean. it is of the type bit and the boolean. Okay. To shift an array is the left operand L and interchange is the right operand R. Okay. To shift the operate from left to right and right to left, we are using the shift operator. In this table, I have listed all the shift operators available in the VHDL. That is, first one is SLL. SLL is nothing but shift left logical. Second one is SRL, that is shift right logical. Similarly, SLA is shift left arithmetic. Next one is shift right arithmetic. Next one is rotate left logical, rotate right logical. In this way, totally 6 shift registers are there. Depends on our application, we are going to use these shift operators on the operands. Next one is the adding operators. There are mainly 3 adding operators are there. They are addition, subtraction and the concatenation. Usually what happens, addition and subtraction we are using for the integer type, that is for the numeric type, and concatenation we can use for the array type or the element type, and always the result is of the array type. Let us see some example for the concatenation type. Because addition and subtraction we are using the same for the numeric type that what we are using in the mathematics type. Okay, but for the concatenation, let us see the example how we are going to use. Means here 0 in the single quote, 0 in the single quote, 1 in the single quote, and the result is 0 and 1. Okay, in this way we are using the concatenation symbol. Let us see the another example for the some characters. Here I have DO in the single quote and afterwards concatenation operator LL, its result is doll. In the same way, C concatenation operator, A concatenation operator, T, its result is cat. Okay, this is example about the concatenation operator. Next, let us move to the multiplying operator. In the multiplication operator, we are using totally 4 operators are there. They are the multiplication, division, modulus and the remainder. Actually, this multiplication, division, modulus and the remainder are of the same type and they are used for only the integers. Okay. But the multiplication and the division we can use for the floating point numbers under certain conditions. Okay, they may be used for the operators on physical type objects as well. But whereas mod and remainder we are using only for the integer type. Next, let us move to the next and the final operators are the miscellaneous operator. Actually, what do you mean by miscellaneous? Means some of the remaining operators that are not covered in previous operators, that some remaining operators they are available in the miscellaneous operators. In the VHDL there are the 2 types of the miscellaneous are there. They are exponential and the absolute values. Okay, all of we know that exponential is nothing but 2 to the power of 2. Like that, if you want to find, then you are using the exponential. And absolute values, what we are using in the mathematics, the same thing we are using here. Okay, and in the next slide I will show you the example, and this is first example is showing for the mod and next example is showing for the exponential operator. Okay. And always remember that, so that is why I have written as important note here, all predefined operators for the standard type are declared in the package standard. So remember that this is the ready-made package is available in the VH and VHDL. All the operators are present. The operator not is classified as a miscellaneous operator only for the purpose of defining precedence. Otherwise, it is classified as a logical operators. Okay. Next, in the next slide, just I summarize all the operators. Okay. Only the summary of the operators only for your reference. Till now what we have studied, all the operators are there: miscellaneous operators, multiplying operators, sign operators, adding operators, shift operators, and next relational operator and the logical operators. Till now we studied all the operators. Okay, please go through the slides once again. Thank you, students.